Alright, today guys, what we're going to be doing is applying the principles, or not the principles of government, but the Bill of Rights to different scenarios. Before we get started, let me review the Bill of Rights for you. This is for yesterday's video too, since I forgot to post one. The first one is our First Amendment, which is our freedom of expression. These are our basic freedoms that can't be taken away, including our freedom of religion, freedom of speech, the press, media, assembly, and petition. Remember, our Second Amendment is just our right to bear arms, which is our right to own and carry weapons as long as you are doing it legally. Each state has its own laws, but the right to bear arms is just the basic right. Amendment 3 is no quartering of soldiers. Yesterday we established in class that this is not something we really need to worry about nowadays, but when it was made, it was a big worry because of the Revolutionary War. Amendment 4 is rules for search and seizure. This protects you from unreasonable searches. Most of the time, you need a warrant or criminal activity must be in plain view. Amendment 5 is our right to due process, or another way to remember it is the rights when you are arrested. Includes self-incrimination. You can plead the Fifth and not talk. Your Miranda rights, which are read to you when you do get arrested, when. And double jeopardy, stating you can't be tried for the same crime twice. Sixth Amendment is our rights in a criminal trial. This means that you're required to have a fair and impartial trial. Amendment 7 is civil court jury. Civil court jury is just exactly what it is. You can have a jury for a civil court. Amendment 8 is no cruel punishment. You cannot have a punishment. Your punishment has to match your crime. 9 is power to the people. If it's not listed in the Constitution, the people have the power. And 10 is power to the states. If it's not listed in the Constitution, the states have the power. These are our 10 amendments. Today we will apply them in the CAMI assignments. If you have any questions, as always, send me an email.